Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, one of the original sharks from Shark Tank. Live a healthier, cleaner, and more organized life with high-quality household goods from Domaya.
Introducing the Domaya Smart and Silent Power Juicer, where functionality meets kitchen countertop elegance. Unlike other brands, Domaya offers a smart and quiet alternative to mix your favorite blends. With 5 speed settings, a wide mouth, and a 2-liter pulp container, our Power Juicer creates the highest yield of different fruits and vegetables for the perfect blend of fresh juice every time. Easy to use and clean, there's no fuss or added fluff. Minimal, sensible, and effective. Domaya makes living less complicated. Enjoy your juices the smart way with a Domaya Smart and Silent Power Juicer. Sign up for our newsletter to receive new product releases and exclusive offers. Order now and get 25% off when you use promo code DOMAYA25 at yourdomaya.com.